Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login errors in 2025. First of all, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue goes away. Next, open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there's an update available for Instagram. Running an outdated version often causes login problems, so update the app if needed. If you're still facing the issue, try clearing the app cache. On iPhones, you can simply delete and reinstall Instagram, and on Android, go to your Settings app, then tap on Apps followed by Instagram. After that, tap on Clear Cache inside Storage. Another fix is to check Instagram's server status. Sometimes login errors happen because Instagram itself is down. You can quickly search "Is Instagram down" on your browser to confirm. Also, make sure your account credentials are correct. If you forgot your password, simply tap on Forgot Password at the login screen and follow the instructions to reset it. Finally, if nothing works, try logging in from another device or use Instagram web at instagram.com to see if the problem is specific to your phone. And that's all. By following these tips, you should be able to fix most Instagram login errors in 2025.